Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. A little pup in Thailand has proven himself to be a very clever, good little boy. When the pup got separated from his owner, he didn't let panic consume him. The pup didn't know how to find his owner again or how to make it back home, but he decided to at least try. And so he walked around the city looking for someone who could help him. And when the little pup noticed the veterinary clinic he'd visited a few months earlier, he knew exactly what to do. The pup marched toward the clinic and sat down outside. He knew that if he could just get their attention, the clinic staff would be able to help him and reunite him with his family. After sitting outside the doors for a little bit, the staff finally noticed the little pup outside and brought him into the clinic. And when they did, they instantly recognized the little pup as a former patient and were able to contact his owner. The pup was so happy that his clever plan had worked and was thrilled to be reunited with his owner. Now the pup is safe at home and his owner is so happy and relieved to have him back. Animals can be amazingly smart. We love happy endings. Please share this story with your family and friends.